For this video, we're going to be opening physics editor folder one more time. NR2003 physics. We're going to go into the tester folder and find this file called tester05exe. Run that as administrator. I always recommend doing that so everything works smoothly, and this will lead us to this window right here. That's the program. When you try to run it for the first time, you're going to get a bunch of errors saying you're missing a DLL, you're missing some OCX, some kind of error message. Just look at what it says, go on Google, go on YouTube, type in what it says and say how to install whatever the DLL is going to tell you that you're missing. Just do that. It's pretty simple. Handle that part of the business and you're going to get to this window right here. Now when you click copy and modify right here, this is the most important button to make your sample. You are going to be asked to provide the file that's called original exe file, the one that we've been working with at the last video. I moved it to a separate folder. Your file should be still at the physics editor folder right here. That's the guy that we changed some numbers last time in the last video. Just point the program to where your file is, hit open. The second file it's going to ask you for is your NASCAR file that you start the game with. That should be located in your computer local disk C, Papyrus, NASCAR Racing 2003 season, and that's your game installation folder. If you installed it in a different direction, just point the software to that window or to that folder where you got the game and find the file called NR2003exe. Hit open. I'm not gonna do it because I already have a bunch of files with the same name, and that will create a file called NR2003 test. That's the file that you'll be working with from now on. Hit cancel. That's for me. You should hit open instead. Let me repeat the process one more time quickly so it's simpler to get. Copy and modify. Find your original exe that you changed a couple of files and a couple of numbers in the engine profile. Hit open. Find your NASCAR 2003 folder. Find your NASCAR file. Hit open. And this will tell you done editing exe. Oops, I just made a test sample. Now we're gonna go to our game installation folder where we just created that file, NASCAR 2003, and the file called test.exe. That's the one that you will be working with. This is the first part of the video. Now in the second part I'll show you what this button does. The button that's called read from memory. We're gonna work with that one. Stay tuned and here we go.